Pack a first night essentials box so you can sleep, eat, and stay comfortable the moment you move in. Start by gathering toiletries, a change of clothes, necessary medications, and a small first aid kit, and put them in an easy-to-carry bag so you do not need to dig through boxes. Include basic cookware and utensils such as a small pot, one frying pan, a spatula, a cooking spoon, 2 plates, 2 bowls, 2 cups, and a sharp knife so you can prepare simple meals without searching for the kitchen. Pack chargers for phones and any essential electronics, plus a power strip and a small flashlight with fresh batteries to cover power gaps. Place important documents like identification, lease papers, insurance information, and moving receipts in a labeled folder and keep that folder with you rather than boxed up. Add towels, a fitted sheet for the bed you will use, a comforter or blanket, and 1 pillow packaged so they stay clean during the move. Finally, include a small toolkit with a screwdriver, adjustable wrench, and tape measure to handle immediate assembly or quick fixes, and write a checklist on a notepad that you can tick off as you unpack. The most common mistakes are underpacking toiletries and medications, which leaves people without essentials until they locate the right boxes. So, solve that by assembling a toiletry kit and a clearly marked pill container the day before. Moving. A second mistake is neglecting bedding and sleep items, which turns the first night into a restless one, so pack 1 complete sleep set and 1 spare towel in the box and put it at the top of your car or first accessible box. The third mistake is scattering chargers and documents among many boxes, which causes frantic searching, so keep all chargers in a single zip bag and all important papers in the labeled folder that stays with you. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources related to moving and setting up the home. We help people find professionals for services they need after moving. We also support contractors by listing work opportunities and a discussion community where we and our members share tips, recommendations, and real-world experiences.